Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate LinkedIn SSO for company accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate LinkedIn single sign-on for your company account, start by visiting the LinkedIn developer portal. Log in using your LinkedIn credentials associated with your company account. Create a new application by clicking the Create App button. Fill in the necessary fields, including your app name, company logo, and description. Select the appropriate use case for your application. Ensure you agree to LinkedIn's terms and conditions before proceeding. Once your app is created, navigate to the Auth tab. Here, you will find your client ID and client secret. Make a note of these credentials as you will need them later. Set your redirect URLs in the designated field. These URLs specify where LinkedIn should send users after authentication. Ensure the URLs are accurate and match your application's requirements. Next, choose the appropriate OAuth 2.0 scopes for your application. Scopes determine the level of access your application has to user data. Ensure you select at least the _light profile and email address scopes. After updating the scopes, click the Update button to save your changes. Now, navigate to your application's codebase. Integrate the LinkedIn authentication by including the required libraries. Set up the OAuth 2.0 authentication flow according to your coding language. Use your client ID, client secret, and redirect URLs in the authentication process. When users attempt to log in, redirect them to LinkedIn's authorization endpoint. This endpoint will request permission to access user data based on the scopes you defined. After the user grants permission, LinkedIn will redirect them back to your specified redirect URL. Capture the authorization code from the redirect parameters. Exchange this authorization code for an access token by making a server-side request to LinkedIn's token endpoint. Use the client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in this request. Store the access token securely for future API calls. With the access token, you can retrieve user information from LinkedIn. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.